Morning. I'm having quite the morning so far. I've spilled my coffee and then burned my hand on the pot trying to rescue it. I've peed on my big baggy trousers by accident because they're so big and baggy. And it's raining and I'm stuck here for an unknown amount of time. My tent isn't terribly waterproof and I'm not enjoying this right now. Made a second coffee, full one this time, and a plan. As soon as the rain allows, I'm out of here. I'm going to go and check into a cheap hotel for the day. The forecast was only for a couple of hours of rain, but it shows no sign of leaving. So cheap hotel it is. Except even the cheap hotels are $50, but that's all I can be bothered to do right now. That is as much of the tent as I can get down without actually going out in the rain, which shows no sign of stopping, so it's time to get wet. Shouldn't complain. I've been very lucky this year. It pretty much hasn't rained since spring in Turkey. They only had about 3 days of rain last year in Bahrain. I think I've seen all 3 already in my first few days here. So I'm just not used to it. I need to, as the Australians would say, have a cup of cement tea and harden the fluff up. One of the notes I was given in Saudi when I changed my Emirati money was a Qatari note, which is proving difficult to change around here. The exchange rates, the exchange places don't take it. I've been referred to a bank. Shukran.
Good morning.
Shukran. Wonderful. Thank you.
أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح.
Assalamu alaikum. I like it. It's only 200 years old, but I like that they've left the foundations rather than restoring it completely. And my mood has of course cheered up because it is in perfect correlation with the weather, as always.
Like that.
This room was for laundry. There's no signage, so I'm just making it up.
Like that.
Hello, good. How are you? One carrot chai. One carrot chai. One samosa. And this one. Sweet. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Amazing. Shukran.
Okay, thank you.
So fresh. Just under $2, I've got a very good carrot chai Cold samosa, some kind of biscuit. Nice budget lunch. Yum. It's a kind of deep fried cake pastry. This suburb, and the weather is contributing a bit, but it feels like one of the cooler suburbs of London, like Kilburn maybe. This country's drains are not set up for this much rain. Some of the sand off. That looks like my price range. Oh yeah, this is $50 very well spent. I just hope I don't trash the place too much hanging my wet tent up. Why is my sock black? Oh crikey. Yes, this is what I was crying out for yesterday. Cheers. I could have done with this yesterday, but I'm not complaining. I'm warm and dry now, and I've got a hot dinner, chicken shawarma. Life is good again.